Hello, this is a small bag produced for our Japanese customer. Even this bag is small, however the bag making is very serious. First you can see the print, the outside print. It is in good quality print. And when you look around this pouch and see the details for the tear notch, for the zipper, and for the side seal, all these points, this bag are very serious in bag making. So this bag is highly welcomed by our customers, and we are able to provide really good quality bags. When the product is filled, it can be seen from the clear window.